Hello, dear energy sector friends, and welcome to this oil price prediction and technical analysis. My name is Dennis from Edgy, if you don't know me yet, and uh, we're going to be looking at the major equilibrium that we have ongoing with US oil, but most importantly, we even have it on the daily currently. So let me just get this in here, guys, so you can see this beautifully. So just have a look at this. Let me actually change the color so you can see the difference to the rest of the equilibrium zone. So we now even have it on the daily, okay, where we have the bottom coming in, as you can see here, around 53.8, and we have the tops going up to 57.4 here, around this range. And but this is now on the daily. If we zoom out to the weekly chart, okay, we will see the perfect equilibrium range that I've been posting quite a few times now. That is ongoing here on the weekly chart. What is an equilibrium range? It is the definition is a tightening range. Okay, so we have a perfect weekly tightening range, as you can see with the uh, September, October 2018 highs, which we had here coming in uh, at 76, 77. So this was the range. Then we had the lows in December 18 coming in with this beautiful, by the way, Morningstar reversal going on with this nice spinning top up to the bottom. It was 42.4, as you can see. So since then, okay, since those highs in October last year and since the lows in December last year, we have basically been completely tightening. So obviously it's still more bearish because we have a huge sell-off, and then the bulls only managed to come a little bit into the range. But yeah, so we are more coming to the downside inside the range. But nonetheless, okay, to spare yourself headaches, you better wait for that breakout. So then have a look. We have another lower high coming in at 65 here. We have the, I would say, 50 psychological, and then we have the 60 psychological, and have a look. Now a little bit more above 50, I would say 50 to 53 here. And this is exactly where we also have the daily equilibrium ongoing. So what does it mean? To the downside, it is very, very obvious, guys. If we break, so that range, first of all, okay, again, on the daily, if we break that 50 to 53 here, we will first of all have the 50 coming psychologically, and then we will definitely have to wait for the break of that clear level. So from the 50, I would say up to the previous bottom, we have solid 10% profit potential. This would be definitely the potential to the bottom. If we break the zone to the upside, we wanted to play this early on already, we could definitely, for example, go bullish here, play up to the 60 already, which is solid for 4 or 5% already in that case, and then have a look. We could go up to the 65 psychological, which would be 10%, and of course up to the previous highs even eventually, which would come with 32%. But of course, like this doesn't have to happen in one move. We could break the equilibrium here. We could go into that equilibrium range, and then from here, for example, see a rejection or a further consolidation going on before we also see another break yet then. So since this is like the you know this is a big equilibrium range, this is the potential, so you don't have to break all the lower highs now on the way in just one push. There is no rule like that, but in any case, as you can see, even the break from this equilibrium lower high up to that one is already like solid 10% profit potential, depending on where you get in, either 5 or 10%. So in any case, this is not crypto. 5 to 10% is great profit potential. You can play this. But yeah, so this is the case that is going on right now with oil, with US oil on the big picture. I hope you had some value, my dear friends. If it was so, smash the like button. Make sure to subscribe to follow me so you don't miss out on the uh, oil updates, price predictions that I give. And feel free to comment if you have something to add regarding fundamentals, anything that you have on your mind, any questions. And otherwise, we will see each other on the next energy sector oil analysis. I say adios, amigos, no matter where you are on this planet, and see you. Have a beautiful weekend.